Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our two MOAC Mask to send MOACs on the MOAC network. MOAC Mask is a tool that we developed based on the tool called MetaMask. This is a very popular tool used for Ethereum network transactions. Basically, we made some modifications and to make it workable with our MOAC network. You can just go to the web page, MOACchain, MOACMask, GitHub, and then get into MOACMask release page and download the proper extension for your browser. Let's just see, I already downloaded this one, and we're going to see how to install it. You need to click More Tools, Extension, just like that. And then you can click Load Unpacked. Basically, load Unpacked, then you need to locate where the this is where we load our extensions. Yep. After it's loaded, it will automatically point you to this MOACMask web page. It gives some information about what this MOAC, this software is, and how to use it. Here, let's just start it. If after installation, you will see this one. There's a small icon here, and you can get into this page by seeing this information. Basically, you have to accept. Then to get into, to make this one enabled, you need to scroll down a little bit. Means you read all this information. Same thing here for term of use. You can go through this one and let us know if you see any problems. Generally, if you don't agree with all these terms, you cannot use our software. Yeah, you just go all the way down here, click accept. Then it will ask you to create your new DAN by inputting some password and at least 8 characters. If you haven't used this one before, just type in the password, or you can just use the import existing DAN. Let's just try a password here. Then click. It will show you this 12 words phrases. You got to copy it somewhere, otherwise you may lost your account without, nobody can, as even our developer, we cannot recover this one for you. So we suggest to save seed word as file, it will download it and save on your local drive, or you copy it somewhere else and save. Yep, then you just get into this classic interface. And you can use this testnet and the mainnet switching between MOAC networks. If you have some local node running, you can also use this local host to connect to MOAC network. If you already have some, let's say, key store or even private key, what you can do is you can click here, called import account, and you can choose JSON type or something else. Then to import all the information here. Basically, you need to have a valid key store file with a valid password there. This password don't need to be 8 characters long. This one. You may wait for a while for this one to get imported. See, this actually is a account with a lot of testnet stuff. Yep. And if you want to add some token, you can do it here. But basically, this is a good way to send transactions. Let's say we can just do some here. Then we have account 1, send 1, MOAC. Yeah, then it will give you some estimate about this information. Just submit. You probably need to wait for a while for this one to appear on account 1. Click here, 1. You need to wait for the next block to be generated and included in your transaction here. Generally, this one takes about 10 seconds. Sometimes it could longer. Just depends on what. See, this one already updated. Now, this is a very useful tool, and we're still developing it. Basically, we use a similar algorithm like MOAC Mask. We don't keep your user's private key or any key store information here. So there's no way for us to recover it for you. So be sure to write down all those 12 word phrases so you can recover it by yourself. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions by go to our Git website, and you can click issues. Let us know if you have any problem. Thanks.